Students said ig instead of ag. So same amount of sounds. So this column is for sounds admitted or added. There were none. This is for the initial and final consonants. He had the correct initial and final consonants. This is for the short vowels. So I mark where there's an error because then I can analyze what kind of errors he's making. At the top, these were sight words. So he knew all of those 5 sight words. If I look at this, the word is ol-id. He said ol-ad. Same amount of sounds, same beginning, same ending, but again, that short vowel in the middle. For this one, he said don't, d-o-n-t, don't, instead of d-a-t. So he added a sound, has the same initial and ending consonants, but does not have the correct vowel sound. Same thing with ham and hum, same thing with bet and but, rich and reach. So as I'm looking at this, I'm noticing a distinct pattern with short vowel sounds. So that's where I would start with this child is, number 1, making sure that there's only one sound for each letter that you hear, unless it's a digraph, and that's a whole different story. But for example, he said truck instead of tack. So I would go back and say, we're going to put a block down for every letter we have, and then let's see, and move those letters. T, a, k, tack. Did you see an R in there? And then a instead of he's still having difficulty with short vowels even though he's in the 4th grade. So until he's really good with short vowels, he's going to make the same errors like bath, bench, fresh, fresh. He's going to make those errors. So he might still have 80% correct when he's reading, but he's not making meaning that he needs to make. So that's a start in analyzing it and where to start.
So targeted next steps from 1.5 minutes of diagnostic data, targeted intervention.